What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? In today's video, I'm very excited to share with you a brand new AI tool that is taking over the graphic design space on the internet right now. And the platform that is going to pay you is really quick and easy, simply because how it works is you design something for them. If they like it, they will pay you anywhere between $100 and $350 straight to your account. If they don't like it, they will let you know and they won't pay you. But the amazing thing is, if they don't like it, you can just try again. There's hundreds of other companies offering you this type of money to do this. Why are these companies doing this? Because a lot of companies want graphic design done for their company, whether that's logo, media, banners, whatever it is. Now, instead of paying professional graphic designers thousands of dollars for projects, they've opened up a marketplace where they will find or try to find freelance developers like you and me, and rather pay them and support them by paying them a couple of $100s, and whichever one that they like from all of the submissions, they will choose and pay you. Now, I will be honest, something like this isn't a sustainable model long-term to live off of. I'm meaning paying for your rent, paying for your cars, paying for your food. It's not something that you can thrive off of solely. However, it gives you an amazing boost and start to your online money-making career. Now, I've been making money online for the past 7 years now. Service arbitrage, affiliate marketing, content creation, and recently my most thriving business, prop firm trading. And what I'm teaching you today is something that is very easy to get started in the make money online industry, just to get started in earning that initial capital. Now, before we get started into the actual strategy, I want to show you a really interesting statistic that actually took me off my feet. Take a look at this website over here. This is the current market size for the artificial intelligence industry as a whole. Right now, we are right here under 2024. And when I talk about AI, I'm talking about computers, AI robotics, machine learning, programming such as ChatGPT, all about in learning and developing its responses and how it understands you, natural language processing, autonomous and sensor technology, all fall under the AI industry. 2024, currently at a market cap of $184 billion. And I just quickly want to show you the projections. 2020, 2021 was more or less the release of ChatGPT. So that's when it really started to improve nicely from there. 2024, big increase in the industry. But take a look at the prediction for the next 5 to 6 years. There's a prediction of AI nearly being a $1 trillion industry. So where we are now in 2024 is absolutely minuscule of where we can potentially be in the next 5 to 6 years. Now, what I'm saying is the opportunity is here right now. The opportunity for you to make money using AI or to build a business with AI with many various different tutorials on YouTube and whatever else is out there. Now is the time to get started with it, because 5, 6 years down the line, there's a very good possibility that that's going to leave you behind and you're going to fall behind on an opportunity that is presenting itself like it is in the world right now. So let's get started with what I'm talking about today and how you can consistently make $200 using artificial intelligence. I want to show you a very new and recent AI website that has come up. Very similar to ChatGPT, except it's a free version which generates you images and graphic designs based on the prompts that you give this AI tool. So as you may have seen, if you've watched a couple of my previous videos, I've often spoken about Leonardo.ai, a very similar website to ChatGPT as well, and a great alternative to develop graphic design, pictures, logos, whatever it is, adverts, YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, you name it, with artificial intelligence by typing in a simple prompt. Ideogram AI is currently the #1 rated graphic design AI tool on the internet right now. And I can go and type in something crazy. Let's go and type, for example, a Labrador driving a Lamborghini. Let's see what comes up. Something really crazy. Let's click on enter and let's have a look at what they come up with. And take a look at this. You've got a cute Labrador driving a mini Lamborghini, all generated in a couple of seconds using AI. For somebody to put this together in Photoshop would take hours on end, trying to find the Labrador template, cutting it out, putting the hat on, the people in the background, or this zoom vortex effect in the background with the wheels spinning. This takes hours and hours and a lot of expertise for a human to manually develop a graphic design like this. But in today's world and time, there's plenty of AI tools out there that can do this now in seconds. And this is a good opportunity, and I'm going to show you how these companies are going to pay you money for these types of images. Let's try something more diverse. Make me a logo for my tennis coaching business. Make sure there is a tennis ball and racket included in the logo. Let's click on send and see what it comes up with. I'm really starting to like this software, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to start using this for some of my online businesses, branding and logos. My favorite one, the really simple one that I like, is Tennis Pros. Really simple with the ball and the racket, just like I asked. I also like this one over here, Tennis Coaching Sure, with the racket and the tennis ball, making sure that this AI tool fulfills what I'm asking it to do. And take a look at this. You can scroll down on the main page of Ideogram AI. You can click on any one of these images. For example, let's use this duck giving the middle finger. They will actually give you the exact prompt that this person typed to create this logo. So if you're on Ideogram's homepage, you can go and look through a whole bunch of different images. Let's say you want to influence something for the idea of your logo. Let's go and find this example of a cat. Let's say you've got a plane spotting page, or you've got a Instagram page that's got to do with the history of old planes or whatever it may be. You can come over to this picture, you can click on prompts, and you can have a look at the exact specific prompt that this person typed in to design or get this image made for them through the AI tool. So you can go and use different prompts that different people are using, change it up to start developing your own logos. So how exactly are we going to make money from this? Let's take one more example. Make me a YouTube logo for my artificial intelligence niche YouTube channel. Let's click on send and see what it comes up with. In a couple of minutes or even a couple of seconds, it will then come up with these logos. Take a look at some of these examples. YouTube Artificial Intelligence Channel, AI Insights, the simple logo over here, which is actually my favorite. Artificial Intelligence with a brain type of logo with a Rubik's Cube in the middle. Really interesting and really impressive. And considering the fact I've ordered, when I say hundreds of different logo designs off of developers on Fiverr or freelancers on Fiverr, not one of them have been able to match the quality of the type of logos that this tool designed. That alone is my perfect experience of AI is really starting to take over. It's starting to develop better quality work than what us humans are able to do. How exactly are we going to make money from this? Well, I found a specific website for you guys that will really help you out. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that every single one of you are going to make money, but there will be definitely some of you, maybe all of you, that can eventually make money from this. And this is how it works. So this is a website where companies are posting various different freelance logo design jobs. And take a look at what you're going to get paid. This website over here, or this particular company called WQ16 is a new company that has recently launched that is offering anybody £110 to design a logo for their company. They will give you a description of their company, more or less what they're looking for. And really from here, you can just go and tell this AI tool, Ideogram.com, what to go and make. And you can go and submit this on designcrowd.com. By the way, this website is called designcrowd.com. I will leave a zoom in on the screen over here. And how it works is different people from all over the world will go and submit their logo submissions to this website through this particular gig here. And the particular logo that the company likes and chooses, they will then pay that person £110. So that's why I say back in the beginning of this video, this is not going to be a sustainable model long-term to live off of, because it's not going to be guaranteed that you will get paid every time from this. However, I'm going to help you out some more. I'm going to show you a couple of alternative websites to designcrowd.com where you will also go and get paid for very similar tasks, increasing your probability of making money from this. Here's another company over here called the PC Trading Cards. They're looking for a designer to get their startup off the ground by designing a logo for their startup online trading card, hobby, and collectibles store. For the logo that they like the most, as you'll see over here, right now, they have 59 designs submitted. The number one design that they like the most, they will pay that designer 150 Australian dollars. Another company over here looking for a design for a high-profile regenerative farm. 99 designs submitted, $150 reward for the top logo. And if I scroll down, some of these companies are paying a really good amount of money. This particular company over here is paying 300 Canadian dollars for the number one design that they like. And I can scroll down and you'll see over here, I can go all the way up to page 9, most likely even more pages than that. So there's really endless opportunities of hundreds of companies on this website for you to go and submit your logos to. And this is how you're going to do this. Let's take the example of the modern logo design brief for a law firm. So we can go and click on this particular gig, open it up, let's read about it and see what they want. So firstly, they are seeking a modern and sophisticated logo for our law firm that captures the essence of professionalism, trustworthiness, and innovation. Key elements: professionalism. So the logo should include professionalism and competence, establishing trust with clients at a first glance. Modernity, we want a logo that feels current and relevant, reflecting the progress and the nature of the firm. Simplicity, the design should be clean and minimalist, avoiding over complex elements. Unique identity, the logo should set us apart from our competitors. This is what you can go and do. Go and copy this first sentence, come back to Ideogram.com and go and paste this over here. And you want to reword it to the following. I am seeking, or rather remove this and type, design me a sophisticated logo for our law firm that captures the essence of professionalism, trustworthiness, and innovation. Go and type here, include these main elements in the logo. Click on colon and go and copy and paste these following things. Professionalism, comma, modernity, comma, simplicity, and last one, comma, unique identity. Click on send and let's see what this AI tool comes up with. And all we did was put their description into this AI software and take a look at some of the logos that it has already created. Obviously, you can go and click on them, download them, and edit them to suit the name of that particular law firm. Modcuden Law Firm with a really simple, elegant, professional, and innovative logo. I like this one as well. And take note of how they're using the colors of gold and black that matches integrity, strength, professionalism, innovation, and also modernity. I also like this black and white logo over here, but simply what you can go and do is download one of these logos, click on it. You can even choose from multiple colors over here and simply go right click save image as. Come back to designcrowd.com where you need to submit your design. Click on submit your design, email address, password, click on let's go, upload the image, and simply from there, it's a waiting game. One of two things is going to happen. You're going to get an email saying, congratulations, we chose your logo. Here is your $150. Or sorry, we have chosen another logo. Please try again at a later stage. And then all you can simply go and do is either submit a different logo, or you can go and choose from hundreds of different other gigs to go and submit your logo to. Let's say by the end of the month, you've had at least out of 100 submissions, 5 of them approved. If you take on average $150 payout and we go 150 multiplied by 5, that may be an extra $750 for the month, just submitting logos that an AI tool created for you to these various random companies on the internet. Really easy, really flexible. As you can see, it took literally none of my time up in the day to do this. And a second way that you can also really go and make fantastic money from this is go to Fiverr.com and you can click on switch to selling and go and post your gigs on Fiverr.com. So you can go and search up here, logo design. For those of you that don't know what Fiverr is a free freelance website where different professionals around the world offer different services ranging from graphic design, programming and tech, digital marketing, video animation, writing, translation. It's really a goldmine of a platform to find people that can execute high income skills either for you or for your business. And the second way you can use Fiverr is to sell these high income skills and make money doing that task or service for people that are ordering from you. You can simply go and create a gig, influence them from some of the top gigs over here on Fiverr.com so that you can increase your chances of ranking on the top page. And then secondly, come over to Instagram.com. If you really want to boost your Fiverr business, go and create a logo design page on Instagram and start going and running Instagram boost ads on your different posts, on the different logos that you're just generating from Ideogram. Or alternatively, you can also use Leonardo AI and start including the link to your Fiverr gig in the bio of your Instagram page. Because how Fiverr works, it's very similar to that of social media. The more clicks, the more orders, the more reviews that you get on your gig, the higher you're going to rank on the top pages. Now, the whole goal of Fiverr.com, and really those that are making hundreds of thousands off of Fiverr.com, are those at the top pages, because those are where hundreds of thousands of people of the top traffic are going to land, and where most of the people are going to place their orders. There's not going to be a lot of people that's going to scroll down all the way to the bottom, click on page 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and order from there. Most of the people are going to be ordering off the top pages. But in order to get to that top page, you need to increase your reviews, increase your orders, increase your rankings by doing all of those things. And once you get there, this will pretty much become your full-time thing. If you guys want to learn more about artificial intelligence, making money with AI through content generation, through selling, providing services for people, I'm going to leave 2 playlists on the screen over here. One called the Make Money on TikTok 2024. A lot of my videos in this playlist incorporates AI into short video content creation, monetizing that and making a full-time income through that type of content. Secondly, I'm going to include a second playlist called my Kartra training playlist. This will teach you how to create funnels, how to sell digital products through capturing leads through an email marketing campaign, mastering sales page design, mastering webinar pages design, advertising, and that ultimately pairs up so nicely as a sweet spot with your content generation or your AI business to start selling a product effectively. So all of my videos on my YouTube channel are completely free. I try and teach you guys some of the best skills up to date that is not taught in universities and schools. So if you want more of that type of content, make sure you're following my YouTube channel with the notification bell on, and I will send you a notification every time I upload my latest video. Take care, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.